what you want, my friend. Sometimes being a friend is not saying a word, my friend. I've been shattered and shoved, and I've shattered and shoved, but my mind is clear. And I've chosen my women, my men, and I've chosen my fears. But I've loved with the marrow that fills up my bones, and I always will. If you're with me or not, all depends if you hold me to